In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Webflow. Whether you're tidying up a project or removing outdated content, managing your pages effectively is a crucial skill in Webflow. So let's dive into it together. First, let's navigate to the Webflow Designer, which is your main workspace for designing and managing your site. Over on the left-hand side, you'll find a slim vertical bar lined with various icons. This is your sidebar, a hub for all the different panels and settings you might need access to while building your site. Among these icons is the Pages icon, which aptly looks like a small sheet of paper. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up the Pages panel, giving you a clear list of all the pages that make up your website. Now, with the Pages panel open, take a moment to locate the specific page you wish to delete. This list might include several pages, whether it's a home page, about page, or perhaps a contact page. Just scroll through and find the one that needs to go. It's worth taking a second to double check you've picked the right one, to avoid any accidental deletions that might disrupt your site's functionality. Once you've identified the correct page, hover your mouse over its name. As you do so, you'll notice a small gear or cog icon appear to the right of the page name. This icon is your gateway to the page's settings, where you can manage various aspects, or like we intend today, remove it from your project entirely. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings. In the settings view, scroll towards the bottom and you'll see a trash can icon. It might feel like a small and easy to miss detail in such a professional tool set, but this little icon is key to web page management, enabling you to maintain a clean and efficient workflow. Once you've found the trash can icon, click on it. Now, before the action is finalized, Webflow wisely introduces a safeguard through a confirmation window. This step is designed to prevent unintended deletions and gives you a final opportunity to reconsider. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to confirm your decision once more. If you're absolutely certain that this page needs to be removed, go ahead and click the Delete button. This will permanently remove the page from your site. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Webflow project. Remember, maintaining an organized site helps keep your workflow efficient and allows users to have a better experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing more Webflow tips with you in the next video.